everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ardha ushtrasana, that is half camel pose. This asana expands your chest and it's really good for respiratory conditions, and also it stretches the vertebra and the neck. To practice, sit in Vajrasana. Come to kneeling position, keeping your knees shoulder width apart. Support your lower back. Exhale and bend back as much as you can and maintain in this position with normal breathing. Now inhale and come up. Come back to Vajrasana and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook.